Here I am in the dungeon, and maybe that's where some of you think I should be, but that's okay. I thought I'd make a video here to kind of talk about the right of the public to record a public meeting. This issue has been brought up many times in our village, and I'm sure it's been brought up other places. And to make a comment like, well, you need to keep that off the record. Well, that's not going to happen because it's a public meeting. So I actually have some audio from a public meeting that I was in, and I got it from somebody else who recorded it because it's completely legal. Now, if I had my own way, but I set the wrong place, I would actually record every single meeting because I think they're awesome, and some of the things that happen in meetings are just really comical, and I'd love to share them with the world. But anyway, I don't have that opportunity to take care of a camera in the position that I sit, so I don't. In any case, Will Brumleve, who is an editor for the Ford County Chronicle, wanted to get some footage from me that I was able to obtain of a village meeting that happened this past week, because there was an accusation that somebody had made that nobody was allowed to record a public meeting or record that public meeting, which is not quite true, and I will play the recording. But since I'm a capitalist, I'm not giving the recording to Will because, you know, he's going to put it in his paper so he can sell newspapers. Well, I'm putting it on my YouTube channel so I can sell views on my channel. So I'm a capitalist, and I'm taking advantage of the situation. So that's just the way it is. In any case, I will play a portion of it for you here, and then, you know, I'll make a few comments on it, and then you can go ahead and make your judgment call for what you think was what was said or what might have been inferred. The problem is that it's only an audio recording, so you can't see necessarily who individuals are talking to when they make certain statements, and you know, that's the disadvantage of audio. But I think it should be pretty clear, even though you're going to get my description of what it was like to be there. So here's the audio.
For question of privilege for the Roberts Rule of Order, I request the board to shut off all electronic devices and put them away to not be a distraction. So any electronic devices need to be off of the desks. Teresa, Sandy, including the other recorder, Sandy, has to be turned off. The other recorder has to be turned off. For no distraction. You have to choose whether you want to be. You have to choose whether you want to be a trustee.
Now, in that audio file, there is a statement that was made which was directed directly to a board member who said, well, I can't record this, and the words were said something to the effect of, you need to make a choice. You need to be a reporter or be a board member. But otherwise, there was no statement made that nobody could record it. It was just that following the Roberts Rule of Law, she said everything needs to be removed from the board's tables that are recording devices or phones or whatever. And so, you know, that's okay. That's not violating anybody's rights or the law. And if you want to be a reporter, fine. Be out in the public section and report. There's nothing wrong with that. So, needless to say, the meeting was recorded, the entire thing, by another party. And it wasn't me because I didn't have my phone out. I don't think I did anyway. At least, you know what? It might have been on the desk. I don't even remember. I don't care. It might have been in my pocket. I don't record the meeting, just because I only want to record things with a camera, not with a darn audio recorder, because I want the actual interactions and what people's faces are like when they're yelling and screaming. That's where the entertainment value is. So, in any case, thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped you sort things out, and have a nice day.